turn on Badoo notification. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to turn on Badoo notification. If you don't know how to do this, I'll show you what this video is to the end. So what you need to do first is open your Badoo app on your mobile phone. Once it's opened on your mobile phone, this is the interface you're going to see. At the top left corner of your screen is the chat. It shows that on the screen if you have any chat, if you chatted with anybody on Badoo app before, the chat will display right on your screen. At the top right corner, you see the timer icon and the notification icon. So whatever notification you have on Badoo app will appear right under the notification icon. At the lower part of the screen, we have the chat icon, we have the nearby icon, we have the likes icon, encounters icon, and profile icon. So Badoo app is basically about online dating. If you want to date anyone online, you can use Badoo app to check out people that are there. And once you see the person meets your standard or meets your choice, you can connect to the person and start an online relationship. So back to the question, how to turn off notification, Badoo notification. At the top corner, you see the notification just after the timer icon. You click on it. Once you click on it, the notification page will be displayed on your screen, and I'm sure you just look around the page. You see the option to turn off Badoo notifications. So if you don't see any option, you take a look at the lower part of your screen. You have those icons. You click on the profile icon, which is the last and fifth icon on the low. Once you click on it, you wait for the profile page to load, where you see the box which is meant to show display your profile picture. You see your name and your age. At the top right corner, you see the set icon just before the profile icon. Click on the settings icon, and you see the first thing you're going to see on the settings is the basic info. You click on basic info, and under basic info, you see your name, you see your birthday, you see your gender and your current location. You can also check the next option, which says accounts. You click on it to see if there is anything there, and okay, you can also check account preferences. Account preferences is just after account and before help center. Once you see the account preferences, you click on it, and once you click on it, the options on the account preferences will be displayed on your screen. The first option is privacy, the next one is notification, and that is the particular one we are looking for. You click on notification. Once you click on notification, you see several